Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you Mutton Keema Masala curry. Mutton Keema Masala is a gravy based curry made with minced meat and aromatic grounded spices, and it not only gives it a texture but also a vibrant red color which glorifies and justifies it as a non-vegetarian dish, and a special mention to the lip smacking spicy taste which will never let you down. So do try this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this Mutton Keema Masala. Add little oil, add sliced onion, add grated coconut, add red dry chilies, white sesame seed, add few cashews, switch off the flame and blend this into a smooth paste. Add little water and blend this into a smooth paste. So it has been blended, and now we will keep this aside and do the keema curry. Add oil, add tej patta, cloves, dalchini, add jeera, add onion, add ginger garlic paste, add keema, add turmeric, salt, add the masala paste, add red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder. Add little water. Let this cook. Add tomato puree. Add little water and let this get completely cooked for minimum 20 to 30 minutes. Let this get completely cooked. So this is done, and now we will garnish with little coriander and serve. So here the keema masala is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.